So guys, on today's video, as you can see, we're doing a garden egg sauce recipe. So guys, basically it's all what we need for our garden egg sauce. So right now, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! So it's always a huge pleasure having to place my camera right in front of me to talk to you, my family. So if it's your first time stopping by this space, I would love to welcome you once more to my channel. So my name is Crystal Tangen. I'm a Cameroonian content creator filming from Douala. I film about my lifestyle, like random stuff that happen in my life, occasions I attend, like anything that comes up in my life that I feel the need to share with you guys. I film on that. I film on first time beginner tips on stuff that catches my interest too. I do advice, relationship advice too. I do dressing tips and like fashion ideas too. And I do recipes. Okay guys, so if content as such is what you love to watch on YouTube, then you're definitely and highly welcome to my space. So guys, on today's video, as you can see, whenever you see me in the kitchen, what do you have in mind? It's definitely a cook with me or a recipe video. So on today's video, like this will not be my very first recipe video. I have a video I'm going to link, whichever the case may be, I'm going to link up here. It's a pot roasted fish recipe. Guys, have you ever roasted your fish in a pot? It tastes heavenly, guys. It tastes heavenly. It's a recipe I'll definitely advise you to try. So you have it here, watch it, try it, and let me know in the comment section. So as I said earlier, on today's video we'll be doing a garden egg sauce recipe.
I know there are many people that always say, I don't eat garden egg, it is bitter, it is...
So basically this is what garden egg is. It's a plant, I don't know if it's a, I think you know it's a vegetable that grows in Cameroon. I don't know if it grows in other parts of the world, but in Cameroon, in our local parlance, we call it jakatu. So that many people have many ways of doing theirs, but today I'm going to be showing you guys mine. That is the recipe, the manner in which my mama taught me how to cook this. A wonderful recipe, and I'll advise you to try it anytime, any day, and of course you let me know in the comment section. So at this point, before we begin, if you're not tuned to this channel, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, how do you want me to beg? Should I blow you guys powder? Should I blow you powder? Don't let my powder get to you. So please guys, it's not a threat though, I'm not threatening. So now let me show you all what we are going to be needing for this wonderful garden egg sauce recipe. And then after showing you the whole ingredients, I'll go off camera to prep them, and I'll come back just when I finish prepping everything. So enjoy this. Okay guys, so here's all the stuff we're going to be needing for our garden egg sauce. First up, we have our meat, beef. You can use anything. You can use chicken, you can use goat meat, you can use pork, just anything that works for you. We have some carrots, we have some green beans which are going to be chopped, we have some tomatoes based on the quantity, like how saucy you want your garden egg sauce to be. We have some onions, we have some garlic, we have some ginger, we have some eggs. Like, yeah, I love using eggs. We have some smoked fish, moru, that's what I love using. We have some green spices, just very little of it, most especially this particular one, Kotimanju. I've forgotten how I'm going to put the English appellation. We have some crayfish, we have some Maggi crevette, crayfish seasoning. Yeah. We have some salt, we have Onga, the classic onga. Like, it's very good in vegetables, it's very good in sauce, it's very good in egusi soup and stuff. We have a just little bit of white pepper, we have some pepper itself, and we have our complement, which is sweet potato, and finally our main guy, the garden egg itself. So guys, and then last but not the least, our vegetable oil. So guys, basically this is all what we need for our garden egg sauce. Okay guys, so right now our meat is already washed. It has been washed properly. The next thing will be to put it in the pot and boil. Let the cooking process begin. So I'll be boiling my meat with a bit of salt, maggi, and onion. Basically that's just it. So guys, while our meat will be on the fire, the next thing to do will be slice it into tiny cubes. This is a part of this job that takes so much time, like so much time. Just want to show you an example. Because normally, you know, the skin is bitter. So that's one of the reasons I think many people don't like gardening it. That's why personally I think of the skin. So guys, here it is. I'm going to slice it into little pieces like this. So let me do this and I'll get back to you shortly. So we are done prepping everything. As I said, I was going to go off camera to finish prepping all our spices and every stuff that will be needed to make our video short and straight to the point. So right here we have our chopped tomatoes. The white pepper has been grounded. Excuse me. And here you have here we have our garden eggs, which has been sliced into little chops, cubes, or anything. Here we have our carrots and green beans chopped already. Here we have our green spices. Here we have our ginger and garlic grounded, chopped onions, the crayfish, we're going to blend it, our eggs, 3 eggs, our shredded fish, our boiled meat. So when boiling the meat, guys, like, I make it as dry as possible. Even the stock, we're not going to need the stock because garden egg on its own produces lots and lots of water, so generally we won't need. And when the sauce is ready, the garden egg sauce is ready, we're supposed to have just oil in it, 0 water. So the meat, as I said earlier, I boiled my meat with salt, maggi, ginger and garlic. I use a dry ginger and garlic. So here you have it, very tasty. So now guys, the next process now will now be our cooking process. So guys, we're going to be frying our meats. As I said earlier, I love my meat tasty. Like, I love it really tasty. It adds the whole spice and stuff. So this is the pot with which, let me pull the camera closer. This is the pot where I boil the meat. So we're just going to fry the meat in it and then add a bit of ginger and garlic and onion. So guys, we're going to let this fry to when the meat is brown, as in completely brown. If only Aroma could tell, guys. If only Aroma could tell. guys, at this point our tomatoes are ready. You can add in an onion. Guys, put in some salt. We added our fish. Some cubes. So guys, when we add our cubes, I'm going to put in the ginger and garlic. We put in all three. As I said earlier, I'm using crayfish seasoning. So guys, we put in our Onga, the classic. As I said, it's good for vegetables. I will be putting all of this because my food is spicy enough, so I don't want it to be too extra spicy. We put in our ginger, garlic. In fact, at this juncture, we just pour in everything basically. Guys, my kitchen be giving. We stir. I feel like I'm still going to need to add some oil. Guys, after putting in our carrots and green beans, we then add our eggs. We let our egg cook. Then we can put in our white pepper. We put just a little bit for it to just smell. You know, there is this thing white pepper does that we can't really explain. You get? So guys, after this, you just make sure your seasoning is okay, as in your salt and your cube. If it worked, if it tastes to your desire, you just go ahead now to add your green spices. You add your garden eggs, and that's it. You let it cook. So when the garden egg itself, it's ready. Final thing you add to your pot will be your crayfish, and you're going to see at one point we're going to be adding our crayfish. So guys, at this point we're adding our garden egg. After doing that, we'll taste. We'll make sure our seasoning. Oops. I thought this pot was going to be big enough, but this should not even deceive you guys. As it gets ready, that's how it reduces. And this thing produces so much water. So we're going to stir everything properly. We taste our salt and Maggi if it's sufficient. Completely till like there's no water left in it. Okay guys, as you can see, I added no water to this pot. Basically the number of quantity of water that's been produced out of it already. Yeah, that's exactly what garlic does. So I'm going to let all of this dry up completely till we have just oil left in it. Okay, so guys, as soon as it's spilled, so you can have this with ripe plantains. You can have it, but the favorite combo for me for garden egg sauce is sweet potato. So you can have this with plantain. You can have it with yams. Yeah, I think those are my favorite compliments for this. But the best of all, you have the sweet potato. So guys, this will be boiling alongside while our sauce is cooking, and at the tail end we can eat. So guys, I love adding crayfish, like at the tail end. Okay guys, so welcome back. Finally we are done with our meal. I'm sure you must have seen how delicious it looks. As it looks, that's exactly how it tastes. So guys, here's our final product. I can't wait to dive in. Quick closer look. I can't wait to dive in. It smells and tastes, obviously, yeah, because I tasted it while cooking. So freaking delicious. Okay, as I was saying, this is a recipe you should try out. So finally guys, we've come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching right up to this point, and please, this recipe, if you try it out, do let me know in the comment section on how it turned out and if you enjoyed it or not. I definitely believe you're going to enjoy this meal. So thank you guys for watching. It's definitely a bye-bye from this piece. Please and please, once more, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel at this juncture, please do well to hit that red subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button to like, and definitely hit the share button to share with your family members, friends, and loved ones. Thank you so much guys, and see you all in my next video. With much love, I say bye-bye from Chris.